Rescue leader, why are we stopping?
Road barriers, raised to keep civilians from jamming the port. We can lower them. I know there's a control panel nearby.
Got it. Stand by.
I can't let that happen again.
Oh no.
Got a jumper.
These meds will help.
I won't forget what you did.
A lot better than nothing.
Lower the barriers!
Hold fast! She's on us! Can you see her? Man the cannons! Our helmsman's dead! Someone take the Northman gun! We'll give them the broadside! Ready! Take a burn here, Mick! Fire! Fire! Unload all the shot we have! Fire! Ready to spit fire! Fancy a wee swim, do you? The magazine! Let's go now! Douse the flames! Get in there, you mongrel!
Oh, what a lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. So red and white, of course, the preeminent colours at Old Trafford, which is now officially the largest club football ground in England. Its capacity 75,000 and growing. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
Rashford, and it's Shaw. Driving on, he could shoot here. And oh! Goal! Manchester United! Manchester United take the lead.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. And they really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
We gotta move now!
You about to get mashed. Yeah.
Inbred moron!
Give it up!
Anyone have a visual?
There's no way out!
You piece of shit! Ah! You piece of shit!
Out of ammo! Reload! I'll shoot you before you hug me! You scumbag! Everyone down! Gotta reload! Oh no! Where you getting on now?
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
Spike planted.
Yeah.
Match point.
Let's clean up. We're done here. Reloading. Reloading. Enemy spotted, A.
Multiple enemies A. Reloading.
Enemy spotted.
Reloading.
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 One enemy remaining.
I've got your chicken. And I'm still hungry.
Attackers win.
We can't stop here.
Get in sight.
Not bad, Tyler, but you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
First to the airfield wins. You didn't say nothing about roads.
I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one washes Rap's cars. This is serious business.
I haven't seen Max this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
Heads up!
That was a sick jump.
Bel Air, honey, let's make you fly. Yeah! We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You done the impossible, Jet. You shut up, Mac.
I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
I almost shot you in the face. You lost your tail. Ease up, Pack. Where the hell you been? After the handoff went pear-shaped, I came straight here. They were Russians, right? Spec ops, 1 second they're there, the next they're not.
Take deep breaths, son. You got the intel?
Yeah, I got it.
Nice play. Shit. It's already daylight. We gotta get to the extraction point. You got a 20 on Irish?
I thought he was with you. Breaking radio silence. Tombstone 3, Tombstone Actual. What's your 20?
Tombstone Actual. Inbound from the north. Coming in hot. Requesting cover fire on my retreat.
They copy, Irish. We got you. All right, gear up and get ready.
You got my ass!
Take position by the window. We got to cover Irish.
Hold the fire!
Here he is! Irish, watch out!
Shit! Fuck off of me!
Wrecker!
Hostiles in the windows across!
They got me pinned!
More incoming. See him? Two more on the left. Drop them. Irish, get up here. Anything still moving? Got them all. Clear.
Give me a hand.
You okay, Irish?
Fuck, man. I guess the safe house here's a
Tombstone, on the move.
Fortress, this is Tombstone action. We got the path and stirred up the hornet's nest. Moving towards extraction.
Roger that, Tombstone. Helo's inbound. Get your squad in position. Out.
You signal and we'll shoot the target.